welcome to EGGU Lapidary. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a ginkgo leaves pressed using a Corian die. And we're going to go through that process to show you how it's going to end up to something like this. And we're going to go through the process to do it. Now, using Korean material, it's kind of a little bit different than using steel. It's a lot easier to work with, and it's kind of cheaper too. So, however, it's going to be another video that I will show you how to make these dies. So the die is going to be a couple of things, which is positive, which is coming out from the material, and negative, where it's engraved and depressed in. So I'm going to show you both of them and how to make them. So in order to see that video, which is going to be very important for you to understand and actually make your own dies, is if you just subscribe to my YouTube videos, and once I make it, you will get notified right away, and you could see it. So stick around, and we're going to go through that process using the hydraulic press to make these nice, beautiful ginkgo earrings. Here I'm using the milling machine to cut the Korean material, and as you can see, this is actually the male, or it's protruded, which I call it the positive shape on the Korean material. Setting up the die on the hydraulic press, you gotta make sure that it's centered within the hydraulic cylinders. So now I have the die, and I'm putting the rubber pad on top of it. Then I'm going to put the spacers, another block, steel block on top. Just make sure it's flat, and adding the spacers so I don't have to jack it up that far. That makes it a lot easier when you do this. Here it is. It really turned out very nice. The impression is fantastic. So here I'm going to show you a picture of it right now. See that? It's really showing all the impression. And now I've got to cut the everything around it just to get the actual shape out. Now I will use liver of sulfur gel, which is really, really good. This one is from Rio Grande, and it just, because it's gel, it lasts for long time. and it's a good quality. Now what I use a Q-tip to get the sulfur on it and then mix it with the water, and this is plenty. I mean, I have enough water here just to put my pieces inside, and that will cover the whole thing. And the longer you're gonna leave it in, the darker it's gonna get. So now I'm gonna take I was cleaning the copper pieces or the earrings in the acid. Now I clean them with water, and then I'm going to put them in the liver of sulfur. Now I'm going to hang them with wires so I can put them in a pot without having my hand getting into the sulfur. So this way I can put them in and pull them out when they're ready, and I can check them also to see how dark they're getting. After a few seconds, I just check to see the color, how dark they got. And if I like it, then I will take them out using the wire that I put them in. So this way it makes it easy for me to pull them out, as I said before. So now they go into the water to be cleaned. So I put them all in, and actually they look very good. I left them with the wires so I can actually pull them out from water. Now I'm going to take them out and just clean them up to make sure there is no water on them. Now I will use steel wool just to clean the surface, and this one actually highlighted. So you remove the top surface with the black, and the black stays in the grooves. So it just highlight the piece, and it looks really nice. Now after cleaning, I will use the spray just to protect it. And the one I'm using is the Minwax, is water-based and polyacrylic. I'm going to show you the pictures of it in a second. And here it is. And I used it on both sides of the earrings. This is the final shape already done, and I hope you enjoy the process.